Oh, aloha. I'm Jennifer from Hawaii, Honolulu, Waikiki.
Wow, so rare to meet somebody from Hawaii. You are absolutely welcome from one island to another.
Yes.
You have any nice experiences about Puerto?
Oh, yes. I mean, it's just lovely. The people here are very fun.
Okay,
Yeah, very friendly.
nice.
It's great.
Do you have any police cameras in your town back home in Hawaii?
Camera, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can you see any cameras here?
No.
No.
No, I don't see any
Exactly.
here.
We don't have any police
Oh,
cameras
I thought
here.
you're right.
This
It's a very
that's the
safe,
difference, you know.
very safe place.
Exactly.
Yes. No, we do. We have camera everywhere.
Lovely to meet you. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Vamos. Qué grande, qué grande. Danke, Moni, danke.
It's ancient.
Beautiful, warm, lovely, amazing Wednesday in Puerto. 12 o'clock. 23-4 degrees. We cannot complain. Let's see our beautiful beaches in Puerto. This is Punta Brava, Playa Maria Jimenez. Fully sandy beach. Lots of waves, lots of fun. Playa Chica. Still work. Polska, dzień dobry, witamy w Puerto. Wszystkiego dobrego.
Wszystkiego dobrego.
Miłego dnia. Do zobaczenia.
Do zobaczenia.
Playa del Castillo, because we have Castillo San Felipe, this one, old fortress. Now it's a art gallery. There are very, very gentle waves today.
que va.
Hello. Thank you. Tak ahoj Přerováci,
Ahoj.
vítejte v Puerto. El Muelle, the harbor. Lago Martianes today. Peaceful, beautiful. And the last beach today, Playa de Martianes. Famous for surfing. Thank you for watching to the end. We are spreading the beauty and positive vibes from Puerto La Cruz, Tenerife. You hopefully feel I love this place. If you want to support us, it's easy. Please join the club. You can see much more from my videos. Or there's PayPal for donations. So all the best. Best greetings from Puerto and viva la música.